Hi guys, I just want to talk to you a little bit more about Google Calendar. I asked you yesterday to make sure that you were able to view your calendar for the day, for the week, and for the month. And from the view in Google Classroom, you're not able to do that. So if you go here and go to Calendar, you can see your calendar for your classes right here. And this is just for the week. So you can click through there 1 week at a time. If you want to use your calendar for things in addition to your class assignments, you can put your own like appointments in there or meetings that you have or that kind of thing. You can go to the 9 dots there that make the cube and you'll see calendar. And you may have to scroll down if you've not used it before. But there is Google Calendar. And here's my Google Calendar. I'm in the month view. And there's a little button right here. You hit the little drop down arrow. You can do day, month, week, or day, week, month, I should have said. So here's day. You can have all your assignments for the day there, or your activities, assignments, what have you. Week is like you see it in Google Classroom, but it has other things added. So I have tasks added that I need to do that day, appointments that I have. And then you can also show it for the month. And I like to show it for the month sometimes just to see what things are coming up. So it's really easy to change that. Also over here on the left, you should have a little check mark for each of your classes that use, which I'm sure all of your classes use Google Classroom. But let's say you only want to see your things for, I don't know, your first 3 classes. You can uncheck those so you can sort of see what's coming up, and that would be for the same, if you were doing it for the week or whatever, it would only show those particular classes. And then if you have other calendars, like we have a shared calendar for all the teachers and staff members at New Albany. So you can take those off. I usually have the holidays on there too, like the US holidays, but you can remove those too. So anyway, whichever ones you have checked, obviously that's what's going to show. So normally I have all of my classes checked, so I know what's coming up. You can add your own activities, appointments, that sort of thing also. There's a little create button, so you can hit create. And let's say I'm going to put in, I don't know, Lulu's birthday. And it is on the 20th, August 20th. I don't need a day, so I'm going to put all day for the time. And then I'm going to change, if I go to more options, you can change the color. So let's say Lulu's favorite color is purple. So I'll make it purple. And if you need to add a description here, something else, like if there's information, if you're going somewhere and you want to put the address of where you're going, or just something else you might need for a meeting or activity, you can add that in the description if you go to advanced and then hit save, and then it'll show up there on the 20th. Okay, if we put it as a certain time, let's add another something here on the 21st. Let's say on the 21st, we want to add, an appointment at, I don't know, 3 o'clock. There we go. And then if we wanted to go to more options here, the advanced options, more options, you could add, your dentist address, or don't forget your insurance card or something like that. And then save. And then it shows up here. You've got all the times listed down here for that day. Or for all the days, all the times are listed, and it shows you on that day, it lines it up for you for the time. So it's super convenient. Not just for school, it's great for school, but it can kind of help you get organized in general. So again, you can switch here to day or week or month. And if you go to the 9 squares up here that form a cube, it's where you can find your calendar. So hopefully that'll help you stay organized.